Exterior angles of triangle. A triangle has three interior angles. It also has some exterior angles. Let us take a look at them now. An exterior angle of a triangle, as the name suggests, lies outside the triangle. Exterior angle is formed when we extend a vertex of a triangle. A triangle has 6 exterior angles corresponding to its 3 vertices. If we extend vertex E of triangle FDE, exterior angle FEG is formed. Similarly, when we extend the vertices D and F, exterior angles EDH and DFI are formed. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of its interior opposite angles. In the figure, angle FEG is equal to the sum of angles FDE and DFE. Let us now prove the same. We draw a line segment EJ from point E such that EJ is parallel to DF. If we regard IE as a transversal intersecting the parallel lines DF and EJ, angle 1 is equal to angle 4, alternate angles. If we regard DG as a transversal intersecting the parallel lines DF and EJ, angle 2 is equal to angle 5, corresponding angles. From the two steps we get angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 5. It means angle FEG is equal to angle DFE plus angle FDE. Therefore, an exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of its interior opposite angles. Similarly, exterior angle EDH is equal to angle DFE plus angle DEF, and exterior angle DFI is equal to angle FDE plus angle DEF.